Next, let's fix the error in updating a book. As I showed you before, when we try to edit the book title, it doesn't update the book title. For example, edit effective Java 4th edition here to effective Java 3rd edition. Click Save. And you see it shows the wrong message, could not update books, because there's another book having same title. This error message should happen when I try to edit this book with the title of another book. So let's check the code in the book services class. The delete update book method here. Update book method. Here the condition is wrong. We should check the book by title, not no first.